Anterior directional patch antenna. FME-Female Connector, 50 ohm. 1 dBi, 3 dBi gain. Wideband 2G, 3G4G LTE, 698 to 2700 MHz. Attached cable is 10 feet long. Compatible phone models. All phones, all carriers. Included components. Wideband directional interior patch antenna for vehicles with FME-Fermale connector. Top reviews from the United States. Ease of installation. Works well. Very nice. Size makes it easy to install anywhere in vehicle. Plenty of cable to allow booster to be installed under a seat. It is worth noting you have to have your phone within a foot or less of the antenna. Those in the back seat do not see any improvement. Works well. Need a replacement antenna. I hide all my wires. Can't stand wires hanging, so when I hide the first antenna wire it got cut from the dash. When I put it back together did it different on the second one. Works good now. Worked for my SureCall. They worked just as well as my old one. No issues whatsoever.